Hi, it's Marielle, Mom and a Girl with Plans, and I'm going to show you 5 of the planners that the Happy Planner sent over from their winter release. This will be available on their website Monday the 5th at 9 a.m. Pacific time, and these are all undated planners, and I'm excited to show you, so let's just dig in. All right, first up is this horizontal. It's kind of a very classic clean look with some rose gold in the corner and these gunmetal matte plastic discs. So let's check out the inside. This is the horizontal layout. So if you're familiar with the Happy Planner, these also come with some stickers to customize the dividers. So let's say you want to start in December. You could put the December here and go for 12 months. Or, you know, you could, if you skip a month, let's say you're like, I'm not doing this in February. You don't have to use February. So it kind of keeps it to where you can customize it the way you want. All right. So we've got this. It says, see the beauty in all things. And it's like a rose gold foil on it's like watercolory, but in very muted soft tones. And then you've got your clean monthly layout and your classic horizontal. Again, this is very neutral palette. You can do whatever you want, whether you do stickers or however, markers, whatever you use in your planner. This gives you a nice clean slate. So that's going to repeat every day. So let's take a look at the dividers. Okay. Above all, be kind. Breathe in all the possibilities today holds. Grow through what you go through. Believe in the good. Find joy and simplicity. I feel like these are all very like clean. This is like spa clean, like very streamlined to me. I don't know. Life is a matter of balance, and it's got like a silver foil. Dreams are plans in the making. Be present in the moment. And again, more of that silver foil. Create a life you love. Focus on the now. And trust the journey. Let's see what the notes page looks like. It looks like it's green with this soft watercolor and the lines. So that one is the horizontal. Next up is the dashboard layout, and this one has crystal clear discs, which I've always seen them with glitter, so I'm really excited to see some clear ones. It says good things take time, and it's got a kind of copper foil. Let's see what this one looks like. We've got some rose gold months, so you can customize your month. Alrighty. And I can't talk. Fortune favors the bold. I just said bold. And then we've got the monthly layout that you can customize. And then here's your dashboard layout. Super neutral and clean. A long task list, which they're doing now, which I think is perfect. Looking ahead and important. I love that there's not like calls or emails, because not everybody does those things or wants to put that in their planner. I like that it's open to use how you want. So you can kind of create whatever. And this too, not being titled gratitude or not being titled something, you could do meal planning. You could do anything in this section. So I really like that. All right, let's look at the dividers. Change the world by being yourself. There's beauty in simplicity. I kind of feel like that is the whole theme of this. It's very like simple and elegant. Believe that something wonderful is about to happen. Good things take time. Is that like an infinity thing? I hope it doesn't take forever. Is that... Okay, sorry. Become what inspires you. I'm like, I can't turn this today. There we go. All right. I feel like my thing isn't on right. I need to fix that. It's entirely possible. You have no idea how much is possible. Make it a point to be kind. And this is in the kind of copper foil. Keep believing in you. And this is a big copper. This is so interesting. Like all these like, just like tweaks to the font. It's pretty. Now this one, you don't read the middle first. You go like this. Look how far you've come. The double O's looks like an infinity symbol to me. Okay, and then, why am I getting stuck here? All right. Always aspire to improve yourself. Purpose fuels passion, and that's in that really pretty copper foil. Let's see the notes page. Just a very simple, clean notes page with dot grid. All right, I'm pretty excited to check this one out. This is the checklist layout, and if you're familiar with Miss Maker, I think it's the same layout. So let's check it out. And I mean, how cute are these doggos and stuff? Hold on. Okay, so this, I think this is so cool. This is your monthly for your I can't even talk, for your dividers. And it's clear, but it's got white, and it's white backed. So as you put it on, you'll be able to read it. I don't want it to go on yet. I think that's really cool to have white like that instead of just, oh my gosh, no, not February there. Instead of having just be, black, I really like that it's got the white letters. So that's cool. You can't see it here, but it's all the days of all of the months of the year, and there's 2 of them, 1 for each side. All right, this planner belongs to a little doggy and cat. So this is for all you pet lovers. Live, work, create, play. You've got your monthly. And here's that checklist layout. So you've got dot grid at the top. You've got the checklist, things you need to get done that day. And then another just open box at the bottom. So this really is great for people that want to make lists and that sort of thing. I think this is a really popular layout. I think super versatile. Another thing you can do if you are let's say you're using a different layout, but you want to, do this layout for a week. You can pop this out and put it in your other planner. So there's so much you can do with these undated pages. All right, let's go into the dividers. This one's just a very simple gold stripe, all ears, cute little doggo with his bone. And then all the little supplies, little cat supplies. Be the person your pet thinks you are with some gold little paw prints. Wake up and be excited about life. I wish I was excited as my doggy is when he sees me, honestly. Pets are the best co-workers, aren't they? Except for when I have a dog and he barks sometimes. If anybody knocks on the door, it's game over for this video. Okay, so gold foil there. You're doing great. You got to be kidding me, right? Meow. So we've got the cat. So it's alternating, like dog, cat, both. So for all you dog and cat lovers, this is perfect. Give the world good energy. And let's see what this last one is. Start where you are. And let's see this page in the back, the little notes page. Cute. Noted. I think this cover is so pretty. Let's see, let's take this little piece off, right? I can't read it. Life is a matter of balance. It's got some silver, foil and clear, crystal clear discs. All right, let's check this out. It's the wellness layout. That's fun. Little font. Okay. How am I strengthening my mind? How am I strengthening my body? And what I'm loving about myself. So this is like a dashboard before each. I'm wondering if it's going to be before each section. Probably. Write an encouraging note to yourself. I love that. So we've got good vibes. and then your monthly. Let's take a look at this layout. So it has the days of the week across the top, and then you've got your intention for each day, nourish, movement, take note. So these have different prompts at the top, like reflecting on, today was, thankful for, focusing on, looking for inward, daily gratitude, and loving this. So, and you've got your column here on the side to put any notes or anything else you maybe a habit tracker or whatever it is that you want to put here. Again, it's undated, and you can kind of do what you want with it and kind of customize it, make it your own. So that is the weekly. Let's check out, again, there's that last page as you move into the next month to get you geared up for the next month. Now the rest is all going to be the same. So let's just look at the 12 dividers. Forever Chasing the Sun. I like that font. The Sky is the Limit. And this one has some copper foil. It's entirely possible. You have no idea just how much is possible. And that is also like a rose gold or copper foil. This one says, hey, everything will be okay. Enjoy every moment. Relax, be calm, and breathe. I need that just framed up. And that is like a silver foil. Okay, it's almost like a darker silver. I don't know. Okay, and then we've got some fun kind of boho stripes. Just to grow with it. Feeling lucky. The universe has my back. And again, that pretty rose gold copper foil. All right, let's see that last page. I can't get it. It just says notes. Cute. I need a whole pad of that. Thank you. Okay, so that is the wellness planner. Let's check out the next one. Here is the recovery planner. Nice, pretty, like rich, dark botanicals. That's what I was going for. Live less out of habit and more out of intent. I like that. Oh, this is gorgeous. All right. Okay. I forgot to mention, we do have some clear, it's hard to see because they're white, but they are clear, like months so that you can customize. And because they're on, looks like they're printed to where it's white, but it will show up on the darker colors. See how pretty that's going to be? I like that a lot. Okay, so we've got our months there. I didn't mention that in the last one. But I love this cover. Let's see. I'm already jumping to the back because I already have plans. Look at that. I would make that my cover. Totally. I think it's pretty. You get some vinyl or even paint marker, acrylic glass, and write your name or write something on it. Yeah. Love it. I like that, but I like that better than the flowers. Okay. So, I like the font. It's a recovery edition. Let's take a look and see. Oh, this is cool. Goals for this month. Be active, rest, nourish, forgive, gratitude, acknowledge, and action. Okay. Be proud of how hard you're trying. You've got your month. Let's look at what a week looks like. So, you've got this week. This week I'm going to, and you have the 3 things that you're going to track. Nurture a relationship, call a friend, meet with a family member, and weekly check-in. What's taking up space in my head? Have I been selfish or dishonest? What can I do differently? Do I need to fix something? Do I owe an apology to anyone? What have I done well? What victories can I celebrate? How can I help others or be of service? And then write it down and things this week. Here you're going to track your mood and just all your different things for the week and do some daily gratitude at the top. So this again is that recovery layout. So if you're familiar with it from the Happy Planner, it's got the same kind of prompts. So that's going to repeat each week. So let's take a look at dividers. Live less out of habit and more out of intent with some gold foil. I'm a work in progress with the pretty paint and colors. We repeat what we don't repair. Oh, that is true. Difficult roads lead to beautiful destinations. believe in yourself, rest, realign, reclaim, reignite. And this has like that pink foil in it. Today is brand new. Tell your story. Aim for perfectly imperfect. It's okay, just grow from your mistakes. You can't go back and change the beginning, but you can start where you are and change the ending. Oh my gosh, I love that quote from C.S. Lewis. That is definitely a good one that I need to remember. We all do, right? And then here is the notes page. It's a really pretty notes page. I think I need a pad of this one too. So this is the recovery layout. And again, these will be available Monday, December 5th at 9 a.m. Pacific time. And I've got a link in the description. I'd love it if you'd use that when you're making a purchase. And if you have any questions or comments, please let me know below. And thanks so much for watching. I hope you have an amazing day.